Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear freshers and viewers. I am here Nasima Jahan in front of you by as well as virtual class. Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty and stay at home. You know you are missing from Oriental to daily routine was direct or physical class, but we have no alternation without taking online class. Our honorable principal Muhammad Abdul Kahar always inspire us to communicate with you by virtually. So, at the beginning of my lecture, I would like to thank our principal for monitoring and supervising us. Dear learners, in my last classes, I introduced Nelson Mandela by reading textbook. According to deliver my syllabus analysis of first paper, you will get multiple choice question from question 1. Let's go discuss how to answer it easily. Dear learners, question 1 has two parts, A and B. A for multiple choice question and B for open-ended question. Today I will talk about multiple choice question. You can get 5 MCQ and each question obtain A or 1 marks. 1 marks. Like Dakhil level section, you will get 4 options for a question. You have to select the right option as well as 3 wrong options. Now question is that which way do you apply to get your right option? So look at the board. Here we see that by searching last several public exams, we find out that MCQ are to give 3 or 4 categories such as 1. Parts of speech based, 2. The meaning or guessing words of the passage based, filling gap based, 4. The meaning or guessing the sentence based, 5. Synonym or similar word based. At first, parts of speech based. Dear learners, let's go an example. An example of parts of speech based is what does apartheid refers to your text. The meaning of apartheid is separation, race hatred. It is noun. And the 4 options are A. Apart, B. Distance, C. Discrimination, D. Dialogue. Now we discuss the matter. Option A is apart. Its meaning is far and it is adverb, while apartheid is noun. So it is not accepted. B. Distance. It is noun and its meaning is space or hiding. But apartheid's meaning is segregated. It is also forgotten. Option C. Discrimination. It is noun like apartheid and its meaning is segregation. It has a similarity to apartheid. So right answer is C. Discrimination. Now we will discuss number 2 and 3. Number 2 is the meaning of guessing word. Is passage based. Its example is the word emancipation. Emancipation means we know that emancipation is for freedom, independence, etc. It is noun. Let's go to our 4 option. Option A, participation. Its meaning is sharing and it is noun. But emancipation means liberty. It has no similarity with meaning. Next option is B, encouragement. Its meaning is inspiration or boast or jest. Though it is noun, it has no similarity with emancipation with meaning. So it is also cutting for. Option C, acceptation, is not adhering with emancipation. Last option D is liberation. Yes, its meaning or parts of speech category both are similar with emancipation. In this way, there may have number three. Number three, there have a line from text and is to do or find out the real meaning of that sentence. For this, you have to read the line more and more and make a real idea on text based, not your own way. Actually, if we or you want to answer the right option, we have to read the textbook with caring and memorizing vocabulary. Then you can guess the right option. Question or number 4. Number 4 is similar as number 3 because when you read the next text carefully and can understand the meaning of the passage, you must fill your gap easily because gap filled word is too known to us. You can answer gap filling as like as test reading. Number 5. It is a lot of similarity as number 1. Synonym word or similar word and word meaning is alike one to another. Totally, we have to read our passage thoroughly. I can to say you that reading test is to read more and more. Every learner is examined by reading test by 60 marks. Reading text or reading book has no alternation for a student. Dear students, I always speak to you every class that mobile phone is necessary to take our online class, but you have to maintain some rules by using it. It can hamper our valuable eyesight, hampers our valuable time, our valuable health. I also talk to you that you bathe your bath in time and pray your 5 times salat. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.